So at the academy class, we've done a beginner's course, and this entailed firstly doing some really long reports. So we were taking different photos and different text, long documents of Word documents, so long text, and we were incorporating this in the InDesign software. So what this was taking text and formatting it so to fit across certain pages, or change the font or spacing, and just learn everything around how we can incorporate text in the InDesign software. Yeah, definitely. So as part of my role, we work with events quite a lot, and we just work a lot with the studio, who are our design team as well. So generally speaking, it's very helpful because we create and design a lot of assets for our company. Yeah, I thought Ian was great. He was really good at communicating and making it fun as well at the same time. But yeah, you could tell he's a really smart guy that obviously knows his way around the software. I mean, whenever anyone would face a problem, he knew what to do straight away. And there was never parts of the course as well where we were stuck on sorting out someone's problem for a long time. Ian managed just to sort everything out really quickly, which was really helpful, because I was quite skeptical of the course before doing it with other people, because I thought, well, if they get really stuck on something and you understand it, then there's kind of that differentiation between the progression rate and what you're able to get done. Whereas Ian made it really easy for everyone to understand, and no one was left behind, which was good. And he was always checking in on us and giving everyone enough time to do things, but also keeping it at a good pace when no one got bored and stuff. I thought he was really engaging, and I think that's probably one of the most important things when you do an online course as well, is just to have someone that is so engaging and is really good at what they do, so no one else falls behind as well. So yeah, I think without someone like Ian, I could have had a completely different experience. Yeah, definitely. I think it gives you the freedom, obviously, of doing it anywhere in the world, at your own home, in your own comfort, which is good, especially considering the times that we live in. The one thing I'd say about it is that, yeah, you just need a good trainer. Yeah, definitely. There's probably people within my organisation that I'd recommend doing it for, because it's something that you can take into most jobs as well, and the possibilities with it are quite endless. Obviously, what I was saying earlier about how we worked on long and short reports, that's quite common in a lot of organisations, and especially within my one. I think the software itself can look quite daunting before you are told what does what, because I remember downloading it a couple of days before I had the academy class, and just have a quick look at it, and it all just looked like a bit of a minefield. But having the training really makes things a bit more simple, simplifies it a lot. And yeah, I definitely recommend it to a friend for that reason, because you can get so many good uses out of it.